Hey guys. Okay, so right now it is 6:43 on Thursday night, the night before I'm due to post our weekly video. Now, I recorded our video earlier this morning and it was a long one. Like it went for something like 15 minutes. Anyway, I was watching it back just before, getting ready to start editing the captions, and I was like, you know what? I missed the mark. Like, I think I was just a little bit too close to the topic and I didn't clearly communicate the point that I was trying to get across. And I think the cold hard truth, as much as I did not want to accept it, is that I was going to really run the risk of peeving people off and, even worse, upsetting people. It was a really sensitive topic and I was like, if I put myself in their shoes, I think there is a very real risk that I'm going to upset people here, and that's the last thing I want to do. So I was like, you know what, I've got to abandon this week's video. I've just got to give it up. My brain's too fried. COVID's messing with me this week. I can't possibly come up with another topic in time. I'm just gonna have to walk away. And then I went, boom, there's my topic, COVID, brain fry. It's obvious, isn't it? So I want to use this week's video, and it's going to be a short, sharp one, just to warn people about the COVID delays that are on the horizon. Everyone across the industry is being affected at the moment, and we are starting to see the backlog building within council. And if I look towards the horizon, I can see a bigger backlog and some bigger delays coming at us. So if you've received an email from me recently about a prospective job, you would have seen that I've been saying normally we would expect to see about a 2-month turnaround time for an application like this in council. However, at the moment, we're predicting 3 months. So the moral of the story, or the point I want to get across in today's video, is that you need to start mentally preparing for the fact that there are going to be more and more delays in the foreseeable future as a result of those COVID absences, and you need to just start getting ready for that stuff. Okay, that covers off everything I want to talk about today. As I always say, until next time, thanks for watching.
For all you red tape lovers out there, I have one thing to say. Well, no, actually, I've got 3. Number 1, the advice provided in these videos is general in nature. It's not site specific. You would be a silly Billy to go and make financial decisions based on this advice without first checking with the town planner. Don't be a silly Billy. Number 2, Brisbane town planning is in no way linked to Brisbane City Council. The views expressed in these videos are my own, not council's. So if you don't like them, blame me, not council. Number 3, what was my number 3? Oh yeah, the views expressed in these videos are accurate at the time of recording. If you're watching this video back 10 years from now, the views may not be so accurate. That's all. Bye.